Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is Moni and welcome to my channel. I am back, guys, as I promised, and I have a try on haul because I'm going to be trying on the items, don't you worry, and I will have everything linked down below, but I'm doing a try on Old Navy haul. Yes, I said Old Navy. I'm as surprised as you are, okay? They actually did a really good job for the spring and summer. A lot of new trendy looks, and I can't even tell you the deal I got on all my items. So let's jump into it. Funny enough, I'm already wearing the first piece, and it's actually a sports bra. It's a long line sports bra. Yeah, there's removable pads in this thing, okay? It's like a halter top situation, high neck. And guys, this feels so good because of the compression, but it's not too tight. So the bra system is its own band underneath, and what I like about this too is I don't have much tatas to begin with, okay? And so I'm always afraid if I wear a sports bra they're gonna be non-existent. This does enough to like hold and still make them look super cute with the pads including, and it's long enough where I'm gonna use it as a top for like a lot of the outfits that I got from Old Navy. I'll show you guys the back. I think it does a pretty decent job with the rolls. Because I always get those really annoying bra strap like rolls, and I'm like, oh, let's not do that. But I thought this would be really super cute because I'll show you the second item, guys. It's actually this skirt. It's a skort, guys, a skort. Now, if you don't know what a skort is, it's a skirt and a short. Like they got together, made a baby, you got a skort, okay? This is a skort with the shorts underneath. Not only that, but it has pockets. So you can easily, like my whole hand is in here, okay? You can easily shove your entire phone in this thing and it's not going anywhere, guys. Can we just talk about the pleating on this thing? This is called, I think, the extra high waist skort, which is actually really comfy too, especially in the summer months where you might be experiencing your period and you're feeling super bloated. This is really cute, and it's just living like the whole tennis player vibes that everyone's trying to do for this year, because I don't know about you guys, I've seen nothing but these kind of skirts all over in each store. So the nice thing about Old Navy is they have like straight sizes, you know, your typical small, medium, large, extra large, so on and so on. But this also comes in plus. If I remember correctly, it went up to like a 4X or maybe even 5X. And it's so comfy. I'm wearing a 2X on the skort and a 2X on the sports bra. But this was the vision I was having. Like, wear the sports bra, the X like the top, wear with the skirt, so flowy, it's pleated all throughout, and it's just, the amount of stretch in this thing is just so comfy. Like, I feel so cute. You can wear this with sandals, with sneakers, like maybe put on a pair of Nikes, hit the field. I'm not. I'm just trying to look cute on vacation. But, so this was so cute, and Old Navy had so many options, and I pretty much got in all the colors. So, let me show you that. Okay, skort number 2. I got it in pink because I had to. Actually, with the lilac, I think it's super cute, like total vibes. But I love it. This also has the shorts underneath because it's a skort. It has the pocket. You can fit a wallet and your phone probably in this one dang pocket. Do they have it on both sides? They have it on the one side, but it's more than enough. And it's great too for my plus size girls who have like the chub rub, you know, where your thighs just rubbing together. I don't actually experience it, only sometimes. Like, it has to be extremely humid for me to experience that, but if you do, the shorts are gonna save you, okay? Don't have to worry about that. But also has the same pleating. I got it in pink because I had to. But it just shows like how cute it is with all the colors that they made available. I love. There was a sale going on when I purchased this. I literally got these, all the items, when you add all the totals and divide the amount of things I got, like 16, 17 bucks. A steal. But yeah, I got it in pink because I had to. Okay guys, outfit number 2. So this is a different sports bra. This one is actually ribbed, and it's a stone color, kind of like a very gray beige, very muted. I love it. And the ribbing feels really nice. I don't know if I mentioned, just like the other sports bra I had on, this one's long lined, and the foam cups are in here are actually removable. So if you don't like that, you can remove it, or you can put something else in there. I know a lot of people put like boosters in there, or instead of like the whole cup, a lot of people just put like a little cover, like a little nipple cover in there in case, you know, it gets real nippy and cold. Great compression on this as well, very comfortable. This one isn't a halter, it's just very much like a tank. I really like. I love how far it comes out too, because if you get that like annoying little side boob, this kind of like sucks you in. This is also a 2X. And here's the back. Now you may notice the beautiful skirt I'm wearing. This is also a freaking skirt, guys. And this one is a light little pink color. Now the reason I really like this one is it has like a double ruffle in the back, because I don't think I got much booty, so it kind of gives the illusion there's a little something in there, you know? I'm just saying. Also, I do apologize if I do sound a little congested or sick. I'm getting over a cold that will not get out of my system. I'm working on it. Secondly, I'm also, from the last time you guys see me, I've actually lost 12 pounds. So I'm actively losing weight. So, you know, if you want to congratulate me, that'd be great. But I love this super outfit. Also with the shorts, has the pocket, guys. They're not gonna let you hang in. They know women need pockets. We don't get enough. But it's so stretchy and comfortable, just like the other one. The one thing I like about this one compared to the pleated ones, I'm afraid of like how to wash the pleats. Like, I don't want to wash and the pleats go away. What do? Do I supposed to iron it? I have to look up the directions, but this one, since there's no pleating, I don't have to worry about that at all. I could just wash it and go. But I love this. I actually like these two colors together. What do you guys think? Okay, next we have this pretty sky blue one. It's very much like the one I wore before, and love this color. It's funny because it reminds me of a conversation I had with my boyfriend. I asked him, what color do you think I should paint my toenails? He's like, oh, it's sky blue. And I was like, oh, I got a top that's sky blue. And then to go with the same pink skirt, I got it in white. The same with the double ruffle. It's a skirt. Has the shorts underneath. Love. So nice and comfortable, guys. Like, I'm really liking it. It's so comfy. I'm just imagining those days that's like hella hot outside. You know what I'm talking about. The days where you like don't want to wear a bra. You wish you were naked outside inside a pool. Those kind of hot days. I think wearing something like this is so comfortable. You don't have to worry about like flashing the one. And I live in Chicago. It's windy. Okay, I don't have to worry about giving people a little peep show. Okay, no. You want to see this? You gotta pay. Just kidding. But yeah, I got this in the sky blue. So comfy. If it helps anybody out, in a bra, I'm a 42-44B cup. I think if you're more busty, you will definitely fit. It'd just be more, you know, snug. But so I love it. And Old Navy. Old Navy. This is also a 2X, and the skirt is also a 2X. Okay, next we have the ribbed one. The ribbed ones I think are probably my favorite because they feel like super nice, like against my fingernails. But I like the fit too. I don't know, it just makes me feel like extra constricted in, so I love it. But I really love this green color. I was debating the black skirt because I'm like, in the summer I don't want to wear black because black just, you know, absorbs the sun and will cook you. But sometimes black is slimming and, you know, you don't have to worry about getting dirty. And what if you go out during nighttime? You could definitely make this a cute date night outfit, you know? You could wear it with like another crop top. If it's chilly, I guess you could wear a sweater, but like it's the summer in the Midwest. It's always hot. But in chance that you get cold, you could wear it with a cute little sweater moment. Love it. But these also, like all the other ones, have the pocket, guys. And they are literally so comfy. Don't have to worry about that, you know, like chub rub. Like, you don't have to deal with that. I love it. It's great for teens, like, because teens are so oblivious to anything. If you're worried about your teens like accidentally flashing somebody, you don't have to. They have shorts built in already. Love it. You could work out with these too, just saying. But I like this. You know what I need? A tan. But I will in the summer. Okay, here we have another one that's ribbed. So comfy, and I love this color. Can you imagine if I actually had a tan? How nice this would be? But it's a nice peachy coral color. Very comfy like the other ones. Cropped. And then we have the black pleated skirt. Again, it has the shorts like the other ones. Super flowy. This is great if you have an extreme apron belly. My plus size gals will understand what I'm saying. It kind of hides it, you know. You don't have to worry about it. I'm sure too, if you were like maternity, this would be great because you don't have to worry about no belt, and it's like super elastic and stretchy. Throughout the whole thing, it's really stretchy. So if you got like really thick thighs, fupa, apron belly, pregnant belly, no belly, this will fit you. So comfy. I also will state, I did order all of this online, but I have been in store. So if you've ever been iffy of like the sizes, you can definitely go in. They carry plus size also in store. Every store varies obviously, but go check it out if you want. If you can't, check out the sizing chart. You can check out my video and do comparisons if you think we're like the same body type or size. I got everything in the 2X. Like I said, everything's very stretchy. Old Navy has a great return policy as well. So if you never bought from them, go check them out. I'm obviously feeling really comfortable in this. So I can't wait to wear this out and about date night. Okay guys, our last item is actually a dress. And I'm surprised I like this because I was taking a chance. I actually like the really fun print of this, like the bright colors, and it's white, so I think it's very nice for the summertime. Can look really cute in my sandals that I recently bought from Torrid. I could also wear sneakers if need be. But something I really like about this, in the back, they actually have a stretch panel. So if you need to accommodate like a bigger bust or whatever, you're gonna get that nice little like tuck and fit. I love. I'm actually not wearing a bra with this right now. I do want to wear maybe like those stick-on bras that kind of give you a little push. Just saying. Only thing I wish this had pockets. But I'll forgive them for that because this is really cute and I love the length. It hits right above the knee. I am currently like 5'7". I love how I said currently, but I'm 5'7", guys. On a good day, I'm 5'8", or at least I like to think that I am, but I'm 5'7", so this hits right above the knee. I think it's a very comfortable length. There's definitely room if you're very hippie. You got a little bit of booty. I think there's room in there, okay? I don't got the hip, I don't got the booty, but there's plenty of room. I like how cute and like, I feel dainty in this, which is really dumb to say, but that's how I feel. I also really like this neckline. It's kind of giving me 90s, you know, with the old school like square neckline. And I actually do appreciate the thick straps because I feel like it just it fits my shoulders really well. Especially if you're quite busty, I feel like it will help you look less out there. That's my opinion, but yeah guys, that was the last item. And let me tell you, I had a little mini panic attack waiting for these things to come in because I actually ordered these in 2 different orders because I didn't realize, I didn't browse the entire website, and I of course fell in love with things. So did a second order. The first order came in perfectly fine. Second order, they couldn't find it and like it's not coming, the tracking wasn't updating. And then I literally got it the next day. So it was a little stressed. So I want to make sure you guys have an opportunity to purchase or look at something that you might like. Again, for all of these items, I have everything linked down below. I got everything in the 2X like I stated. If everything is still in stock, which it should be, I'll list everything down below. If you have any questions for me, just leave a comment down below. And guys, if you like my video or you want to see this face again, please subscribe, like this video, just write a comment, say hi, you know, like, tell me, what are your summer plans? I got summer plans, okay? I'm going on vacation. I can't wait. I'm going to the Great Smoky Mountains. And I'm gonna be vlogging this weekend, so I'm super excited about that. So that'll be the first time I'll take you guys with me and out and about. And you get to meet Boo Boos. If you don't know who Boo Boos is, that's my boyfriend. You get to meet him. Well, maybe. We'll see. You'll see. Thank you guys for all the love and support. If you like this video, thank you for the thumbs up. And have a good one. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.